Yay! Good morning, everybody. It is 6 in the morning. It's pretty early. We are heading to the beach finally today. So we are driving to Moalboal, which is going to take us around 3 hours. Well, 4 hours since we are coming here in the countryside. So mom will be beside me, my sister, and 2 other friends will be in the back. Yes? Hi!
What are you doing?
What are you doing? We are vlogging. Where are we going?
We can go to the beach.
You have your swimsuit?
Yes.
You have your goggles?
Yes.
You have your life jacket? So we will have an overnight stay in Moalboal. I didn't book anything because because we're just gonna find something there, something cheap, because it's just an overnight. Yeah. You ready to go to the beach? Okay, let's go. I think we are all ready to go. Are you not done yet? My gosh, we've been waiting for 1 hour.
Yes, we can waiting 1 hour.
We've been waiting, right? My goodness. So finally, after 3-4 hours, I think, of driving, we have arrived here in Moalboal White Beach. I don't know what time is it. I think it's like 12 p.m. and we are having lunch already because everyone's pretty hungry. We had a stopover in a church called Pitalo, and then we just lighted some candles. After that, we stopped over again in the tourism municipal hall because they had to register. You have to pay 25 pesos each, no fee for the kids. A lot of people actually here because it's Saturday today, and the beach is so pretty, so beautiful. It's really white. I miss the beach so much. Anyway, let me show you what are the food that we have. So we have here banana, this is liempo, this is chicken. Hi! Are you awake na? We have here, what's this? Kamote or sweet potato. We have seaweeds and humba over there. And this is the gang eating. Bon appetit! Bon appetit!
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit! I'm hungry.
That's the beach, guys. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful the beach is. Look at that. Wow. So nice. So we had to rent this cottage for 800 pesos. And yeah, come on, let's eat. I'm really hungry now. We are going to transfer to a different cottage because this one that we are currently on now is not available for overnight, so we're gonna go over there. Paga! Hi!
Oh, what's the ice?
Yeah, glasses because it's so hot. Are you excited to go to the beach?
Yes.
Do you want some of that?
Yes.
Okay. You want some? Okay. Pink kuya, oh. Pila? Ha? Wow. Thank you, tita. Okay, let's pay 15 pesos. Na kay 15, me? 15. Guys, we have transferred to our new cottage. Look, Skylar! She got her swimmies already. She's ready, even if it's very hot. My sister's friend. Hi!
Hey everyone, Frackenbush.
What's your name again?
My name is Angel Marie Madrigal Frackenbush. And we are here live at Cebu Zoo. Charot.
She's so funny. Look at the beach, so pretty. Right, we have here the floaty for Scarlett and also goggles. Goggles right here. Do you want to open it? Okay, can you open? Scarlett is ready to go to the beach. There she is. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Are you ready? Huh? Wow, it's so pretty in here. I love the sea. Ah. Okay, Tita is just gonna watch over you, okay? Okay, here only. You want me to go with you, but I don't have my swimwear yet. Whee! Whee! Yeah. Are you scared? Come on. Why are you scared? Why? Don't be scared because you have that one, man. What are you doing? Where's your feet? Where's your feet? Why are you not wearing this one? Wow! Do you like it? Wow! Hello, we've been having so much fun in the beach, Scarlett and I, and right now it is currently 3 p.m. so we have to look for a place where we could sleep for tonight. Scarlett and I and sis are going to check in for an overnight, and then mom and their friends are going to just stay in the cottage. They are not going to sleep, I think. So we're heading there. It's just really a 3-minute walk from the beach, and it cost us 1,800 pesos. It is a bit much, but I understand. We've actually looked around everywhere and all are fully booked because it's Saturday today. So we're gonna go to the room and check it out. I'll show you guys. I'll give you a quick tour of this room. Ta-da! So this is how the front area looks like. Air condition is there and you see it's very clean. Now we are going to get inside. I have here the key. Let's open this. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cold. Ta-da! See? It's very clean, right? They even made the blanket like this. Like, look at that. If I vlogged earlier of the rooms that we checked, those were pretty insane. Really dirty. Okay, so this is how the toilet and bathroom looks like. Ta-da! So we have the sink right there. We have shower over there. It's really big as well, so that's really good. So yeah, this is where we're gonna be sleeping for tonight. It's air conditioned. Yeah, everything's good and clean. You could even have like more people here. Yeah. So if you want to add more people, it's 200 pesos additional per person. Okay, we're gonna head back to the beach again. The sun is about to set actually, so yeah, we're gonna watch the sunset.
Mama, my God, guys! Hi guys, it's a vlog. I'm happy to beach.
Guys, it is the golden hour. It's literally like in front of me how beautiful the sunset is here in Moalboal. By the way, this is Basdako White Beach, guys. This is one of my favorite beaches, I would have to say. And yeah, there's loads of people now because the sun is about to set. Scarlett and I have just been in the beach for like the entire time. I'm so like brown already. Got so much color, but I'm actually definitely happy because I was able to bring the fam bam. That was one of my goals, you know, to bring the fam bam and treat them into a nice beach trip. Even if it's just overnight or a one-night stay, it really is making me happy when I bond with my family or spend time with them. As you know, in this video or in this family trip, Papa is not with us, and we are actually gonna have a separate like family trip again with Papa, of course, and Mom is not gonna be with us. So I think we'll bring Papa to Bohol. I think he's not been there, and my sister and Scarlett as well. So yeah, there's a lot of first time in December for my family, and then after that we might go to Boracay. What? No, I did not touch it. What are you talking about? Look at her. She's so happy. Oh. She doesn't even want to talk to me anymore. She just want to go to the beach. When we arrive here, she already want to jump in the beach. So excited. Like we didn't even have a place to stay yet, but she already wants to wear her swimwear and just stay in the beach the entire day. But yeah, it's so nice here. People are just chilling, relaxing. Good morning, everyone. It is very festive here in Moalboal Beach. Time check, it's 6 in the morning. Wow, the people are up and awake. Good morning, Pangga. Good morning. Wow, you're so early. Do you like the beach? Okay, we have to have breakfast now. Come on. Oh, you want to ride this one? Look. You want to ride?
Yes.
No. Guys, my mom was on the beach already at 5 a.m. and everyone else. And me, I just woke up. Well, I woke up 4 a.m. I went back to sleep because my sister woke me up. Wow. Scarlett is such a water baby. She really loved the beach. I was asking her last night, do you want to have a house in the beach? And she said yes. But look, it's Sunday today, so there's a lot of people. Ta-da! What? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's have breakfast first.
Look, Ethan, he was a walk. Guys, we can go home now.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
She doesn't even want to go home. It's already 10 a.m. We are checking out. Supposed to be checkout will be at 12, but we have to go home. I still do have a project I need to do. What? What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Where did you get ice cream?
There.
Very expensive.
How much?
55.
Actually, I don't know why, but almost all of the things you can buy here in Moalboal, they're like ×2. They're pretty pricey. Ready? Let's go. Asan susi na? Okay, let's go. Nag-vlog was na pangga. We still have 3-4 hours drive. Scarlett, we're going home? We're ready to go?
Just stay one day.
Just stay one day. You want to stay longer?
No.
No?
I'm so scared because the little guy's not here.
The little guy's not here?
Yes.
Who?
And you. Mama.
I don't understand you. You want cassava cake?
Tabi.
We got cassava cake right here. Give to mama. Let's go. Meldrin's driving for 4 hours. Good luck.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Billy na.